I'm back with the new manager. So my good friends over there, Tinashe Hair. We worked with them a long time ago, and we liked them then. We'll see if we still like them now. Y'all know I'm gonna give it to you raw and uncut. If it's bad, I'm gonna say it's bad. Period. Okay? You probably see their ads popping up on social media. If you look in the description box, you'll see a direct link to the company, to the wig, and all that good jazz. Make sure you click subscribe on your way down there, because I'm trying to hit 50K by my birthday. So I have no idea what's in this box. You know I like to do that stuff with y'all. Let's see. All right. Ooh. Okay. But they did put some other stuff in here. And like I always tell y'all, that matters to me. What I do like is look at the box. They put the details. Okay, this wig is going to be 22 inches long, a body wave, a 5x5, 180 density. See how easy that was? Not only did they do that on the box, which it's a hard box. Whoever get this off Posh, I'm going to send you the box. Not only did they do that, you also get a sack. And in the sack, they gave you a comb, some clips, an edge brush, and a bonnet. Okay, that's what I'm talking about. Okay, I can tell you that I'm gonna like this wig because it's a 5x5 and it's a body wave, which means that I ain't gonna have to really do too much to it, sis. All right, I'm gonna save that box. You take the paper out. You know, with 99J hair, you never know what you're gonna get because there's so many variations to 99J. And it's not just with human hair, it's with synthetic hair too. Like, you never know what you're gonna get. This is a beautiful 99J though, y'all. It's more on the red purple side than black. So you know how so many mixes, or some mixes have tons of black in it? This one is more red. Okay, comb in the back, adjustable straps. In the front, you get that 5x5, which this is gonna make this wig so easy, y'all. It's not gonna take me long. You get a comb here to the right, and you get a comb to the left. You get baby hairs, long as heck too. All right, so before I cut off that little lace and play around with her, let me put it on and show you what she looks like straight out of the pack. All right, so because this is a 5x5, you can part it anywhere in that space. So you could part over here to the right. You could come over here, part it to the left. You could part it down the middle. You could pull some of this up. Like, there's so much that you could do with this wig. Curls are absolutely beautiful. Let's cut off this lace, play around with the wig, and then I'll be back with my final thoughts. eyelashes and, you know, changing my shirt. But I'm back with my final thoughts on this wig, y'all. Absolutely gorgeous. And did you see how easy peasy it was? It was so easy that I actually filmed me curling it. And y'all know I never really do that. Just took a few swoops. And because it's a 5x5, you don't have to glue. You ain't got to tack down. You ain't got to do none of that. It's just easy. Just took my earring off. But I really, really like this one, y'all. I have so many wigs like this. I'm going to be honest. In every color, just about. And the reason for that is because this does give you the ease of synthetic but human hair. So if you're somebody that's looking for a throw on and go, if you're somebody that's a beginner, if you're somebody that's a wig slayer, but you're looking for something that's gonna save you some time, I definitely recommend that you get this one by Tinashe Hair. If you look in the description box, you should see a discount code to save you something off the hair, okay? Yeah, this is a whole look, and that was easy. Without me fast forwarding it, the time that it took me to just throw a few curls in this wig was 4 minutes and 47 seconds. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. So I 1000% recommend that you pick this one up. Like I always say, maybe you're not even into wigs. I don't know, maybe it's your auntie Robin. Red Robin, yum, my fat ass. I'm always thinking about eating. Maybe it's your Uncle Robin. Whichever one, send them my way, and me and Tinashe Hair will get them right. Y'all, this is easy peasy. Definitely recommend. And this color will look bomb on all skin tones. Whether you the whitest of the white or the darkest of the dark. This it, okay? This is beautiful. Thank you, Tinashe Hair. Until next time, y'all, which will be very soon. Bye.